kwa heshima na taadhima aseme jambo moja kwa sababu ni International Women's Day. Mpigieni makofi.
Thank you, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, our Deputy President, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, and all protocols observed. Wamama hoe! Wamama mpo! Muthenya toyo e! Muthenya toyo e! Tigane Jesu e! Tigane Jesu e! Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, we are deeply honored by your presence today as we celebrate the 2024 International Women's Day. The theme for this year's International Women's Day, Accelerate Progress, underscores the critical importance of investing in women to expedite advancement towards gender equality and empowerment. Empowering women and girls plays a pivotal role in fostering a more inclusive and equitable society, ultimately contributing to the eradication of extreme poverty and promotion of resilient democratic communities. Your Excellency, discriminatory social norms pose significant barriers to women's empowerment, limiting their opportunities for progress and equality. Some of these social norms, such as female genital mutilation, FGM, are still prevalent in some parts of Embu County. As you may be aware, Your Excellency, the FGM practice causes immediate and long-term negative effects, among others, health complications, school dropouts, child pregnancy, and early marriages. With full realization that this impacts our women and girls' future economic empowerment, as a county women representative, we have established a program of restoring hope in these women. Your Excellency, education is vital investment in their future and crucial for the overall progress and empowerment of women in society. Through our Restored Hope program, Your Excellency, we have successfully reintegrated girls and girls who dropped out due to pregnancy back into school. We remain grateful for the national guidelines for school re-entry in basic education, and we appeal for support to facilitate more girls to return to school. Additionally, Your Excellency, studies have shown that girls from poor families miss 20% of school days in a year due to lack of sanitary towels. Data from the Ministry of Education indicates that a girl that is absent from school for 4 days in 20 days loses 13 learning lessons, equivalent to 2 weeks of learning in every term, which affects their performance. To ensure our girls concentrate in their education, we provide sanitary towels to ensure that no girl misses school due to lack of this important supply. Your Excellency, gender-based violence, GBV, a modern-day pervasive violation of human rights, remains a significant obstacle to women's empowerment globally. Women and girls in Embu County are disproportionately affected by gender-based violence. Alarming statistics reveal high rates of physical and sexual violence in the county, emphasizing the urgent need for action. According to the 2022 Kenya Demographic and Health Survey, KDHS, 34% of women in Kenya have experienced physical violence since age 15. The percentage of women who have experienced physical violence since age 15 in Embu County were 40.3%. In the same survey nationally, 13% of women reported that they had experienced sexual violence at some point in their lives, while those who had been sexually violated in Embu County were more than the national preference of 21.5%. Your Excellency, though our office is actively engaged in advocacy and awareness campaigns against the gender-based violence, no one arm of the government can end this fight alone. We all need to pull together to prevent and end gender-based violence. We are therefore urging our men, religious and community leaders, healthcare providers, security personnel, and the justice sector, and members of goodwill to all play their part to ensure we eradicate gender-based violence. Additionally, Your Excellency, our office conducts training on economic empowerment for women and has provided funding through GAV to various women groups to enhance their business. This financial stability enables them to contribute meaningfully to their nation's GDP through their entrepreneurial endeavors. Today, we are honored to have some of these empowered groups present to showcase their business. We urge you to support women from grassroots to trade with not only the county government, but also with the national government to respond to today's theme of accelerating progress. In conclusion, Your Excellency, we express deep gratitude for the government support of women's leadership to executive levels. The challenge now lies in leading by example as we mentor others. We urge you, Our Excellency, to be intentional on women's leadership, especially at the grassroots levels, and entrust them to lead in initiatives like Nyumba Kumi and other various positions of administration, for example, and as an assistant chief, head teachers, chiefs, chairpersons of boards of management, just to mention but a few. We believe that such positions will not only propel women to greater heights, but will also help serve as a role model to women and girls in the villages and ultimately accelerate the progress. Your Excellency, as I conclude, I wish to kindly request you to support me establish a gender-based violence center and my able governor to kindly provide us with land for the same purpose. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, for believing in us. May God bless you. May God bless Kenya. Happy International Women's Day. This is N Embu Women Representative. Na sasa nikiendelea kuketi, naomba tu niongee na lugha ambayo wamama wetu watasikia kwa sababu wako hapa. Atumia mwekuo gako karokemika president, gako karokemika deputy president, gako karokemika governor wetu. Asanteni sana, Your Excellency. Nituramenya ofisi yaku ni irarwa na njovi muno iria itaimbetekerie ni watho. Na atumia aria mai guku nio casualties a njovi iria itaimbetekerie ni watho. Atumia aya monaga athuri yao na marere uguo matakumenya kuria marere kana magoka mayatukire. Kwe masukuru thaino mataina ciana cia cukuru because ovoro wa ciana nduramenyeka. And so, Your Excellency, niraboya uguo twina nditi nene ya kurwa na ndawa cia kurebia na njovi cia ibango twikirire undu ucio uvoro wa kurwa na gender-based violence thiini wa Embu County. May God bless you, may God bless Kenya, may God bless Embu County. Thank you.